Good morning! Sabi ni Heinz kanina daw, nagsasalita daw ako. Ewan ko anong sinabi ko. Ganun talaga ako minsan. Kapag super lalim ng sleep. Tapos sinagot naman daw niya ako. Natawa ako. Nagtago na naman ng baby ko. Hey. Mamaya, iwa-watch ko yung tubig niya. Kahapon nakalusot siya eh. Kasi kahapon sa bahay, parang di siya nag-water buong araw. Kasi sa bahay pa lang, kami, diba? Nag-bonchon kami. Siya. Tapos, nag-soft drink siya. Tapos sa sinihan, pag uwi dito, hindi talaga siya nag-water. Kaya sabi ko mamaya, watch ko yung water intake niya. Kalok. But anyway, kamusta kayo guys? Grabe, super happy Saturday ngayon. Oh, happy Saturday guys! Bukas magkikita na kami nila ate. Ano ba yan? Bukas magkikita na kami nila ate Ann. Super excited, finally! Tsaka magkikita kami ng pinsan ko sa gabi. Kaya super excited na ako. Sige guys, mamaya na lang. Ma. Hello.
Good morning!
Alam mo ba si Paul hindi nagtubig buong araw kahapon? Kaya huwag ka na magbili ng soft drinks ngayon na.
Oh, Paul, may nagsusumbong aga-aga dito.
Hindi, na-realize ko lang na hindi siya nag-soft drinks, nagtubig kahapon.
Ang matindi dyan, din natulog tayo, nakabukas yung bahay.
Ah? Ha?
Hindi nyo nila.
Breakfast namin is pizza.
Tapos na,
Ayan.
magantay ka.
Pinapakuluan pa pala yung chicken curry. Bakit white pa na?
Ha? Gata yun eh.
Di ba color yan dati? Yung color yellow? Ha?
Hindi malagkit niya.
Ito, super duper sarap ng mango pie. Ayan, gagawa si mama para kay ate Cecil ng biko. Kasi favorite ni ate Cecil. Lazy. Hi kay Clarice Concon. Thank you so much for pag-order. Bali, ulit ba na yan? Kasi kami yung showtime ngayon.
Yeah, showtime, nothing, man. Good night, Hal.
Bigay todo siya kanina eh. Kanina.
No.
Hi guys! Ayun, nakapag-makeup na ako and si mama next week na siya makapag-shoutout.
Inahabol ako kasi may darating na bisita eh.
But yung mga nag-like na lang sa page ko na nag-post din ako. Yung nag-post ako na magpapa-shoutout ako. Yung mga nag-like, ito sila.
Nahubo ka na naman.
Si April Camille Lansang, Catherine, si Ate Yen, Kat Dairit, Tita Yana,
Lopez.
ito,
Nel Banzali, Ellen Joy, Pablo Bautista, Abigail Sunga.
Uy, meron na siyang may channel na siya.
Marilyn Lapira Helvis, saka kay Ricky at Bianca.
Yes, hi. Si Pearly Rivera, Iko, Elaine Casipit, Nina Mijaj. Ay, sis Jab,
Adley Ramos.
Ann Gazeta Onya, Ada Morin, si Jabilita, Pichi Dago, Lulu Sosa, Renz Marian, Maylene Martinez,
Al-Ali, hi. Lori Morante,
Kuya Ryan, Al-Ali, Mika Akazu, Lori Morante,
Leanne Barrientos,
Marden Mendoza Tayag, Nika, sis Nika, hi! Joanne Estilore, Mavi Vilsbless, paano?
basta.
Jamika, hi sis Jamika!
Pretty Woman.
Maria Elaine Alvarado, Kirei Watashi, MGMGZ,
Nakmakita ako sa lamin.
Maritas Bagkat, Gabi Marie, Elaine Villegas Manuel,
Valderrama
Jacqueline
siguro yan.
Patalval, no?
Kaputol eh.
Kay Geraldine, hi sis! Jessica May,
Inyo, say hi.
Petelo Rose Reyes, Ranulin Santa Maria, Isaac Quetazol,
Tama na yun, no? Si Ricky tsaka si Bianca.
Pongo Iberica
Ricky.
Sambaga, Bernadette Jasmine, Jera Finito. Hi Jera Finito, super duper thank you lagi sa pag like and comment lagi.
Hi, ako, bata ni
Kaylin Hermoso, Break Jill.
Ano yung babata ni Iket?
Si ano yan, Ate Jolly. Bioj ba to? Azlog. Honey Nikay something.
Carmina
Nelia
Gonzalez.
Ishi. Carmina Gonzalez, Manzi Zahiro Natividad, Eliza Valdez Reyes, Jonario Sarmentos, Swizet, Lizondra Barco, tama? Christine Jimenez,
Basahin mo naman maigi yung ano niya.
For Ate Perfecta,
baka
si Ate
Bojo
Joy.
yan. Bojo Buenafe
Si ano yan? Si Ate, ano yan?
Lisa de
Perfecta,
Leon
Ate
Bazada,
Joy.
Joy La.
Joy Lau.
Wow,
Ay,
Ernesto.
super pretty niyan si Joy Lau na yan. Ernesto Galanga. Yan, nag-order yan sa akin si Ernesto. Si Richit, Casey Capara Rivera, Marlene Garcia, JJ Wu, Sismean, Rafancel, Manalili Kinko, Chocoro, Asher Del Rosario, Charmaine Carandang, Oleola, Princess Janina,
Hi, Kare
Abby Soriano, Pearl Hope, Marjorie Gancho,
Catherine Makalino.
J. Ramundo, Kesley Kai Paralejas, Jonah De La Cruz,
Si Bel
Alex
Cookie.
Rose Angelo, Karen Perez Aklan, Glyces Abing. Hi, parang familiar to lagi sa akin. Liza Yadao, Apple Romero,
Francescoy.
Domdes Desmond, Gian Itulralde Rodriguez, and Irene Conde Gloria. Hi, Ate Christine, I miss you!
Ito na lang. Daniel Ann Lamando.
Mami Cathy, hi.
Danica Dalizay.
Hi, Ate Dec.
Leasing, Daday Jen Allen. Then Miss.
Easy ba?
Oh, Miss. Danica Dalizay.
Ako, ni ginamit ko pala yung blush ni Mama.
Hi. Babe St. Louis.
Mami Pai. Hi, Mami Pai.
Bel Cookie.
Nasabi ko na
Lesilda
yan.
Bukirin de la Cruz. Si Buti
Battle?
Bande Battle Rock Caballerino yan, oh.
Super ganda niya ng kilay niya lalo. Nainggit ako sa
Si
kilay.
Cherry Cecily ba to? Cecily? Ito,
Carol K. Hi.
Hi.
Says Catera Cruz, Charlene.
Hernandez Sanchez. Christine Hernandez Sanchez pala
Sis
to.
Cherry. Hi. Siko Cheshui.
Si Christine Marcelino Endozo.
Christine
Christopher
Hernandez.
Adrian Mendoza. Cindy
Clary
XD yan eh. XD nakalagay. Tapos si Claire Rino, nabanggit mo na. Siyempre tapos na yan.
So, yun. Sige lang, guys.
Last na lang. Tapos si yan nga.
Gemma Bell.
Gemma Bell Gendren, Rose Reyes.
Rose Reyes from Florida.
Abigail Wright. Akira Lynn. Ayan, si Ali. Aline Elfa.
Ate Aiko from Japan. Hi.
Aline Marian Biazo.
Ate
Amanda
Gina,
Rodel
hi.
Bernardino
Si Ate Gina, hi,
Dinagas.
kay Ate
Hi,
Gina.
Gina. Hi. Andrew Tan.
Honor,
Siyempre,
Ate-
yung kakaing girlfriend niya.
Ate Ana Ruby sa Instagram. Hi.
Angel Aliza Canaynay Alfonso, Angie Gonzalez, Angie
Mayri
Biaso
Biason.
Flores, Ann Gaceta Oña, Annette Gandulfos,
Uy, si Ana. Pinsan to ni Prince ah.
Ani Caballero sa Pisciencia,
Ansalum. Hi, Sis
Andy
Ann.
Zalum, yan, Annette. Annette Caspe yan.
Apple Marie Duque.
Ay, April Baelio, tsaka yung anak niya.
Yes. And
April Camille Lansang, April Lintador.
Sis Abby of Chloenista. Hi.
Arnie Testa Guerrero, Arnie Ganuelas yata ito.
Abigail. Tapos na si Ana Luz.
Ayana
Sis Ayana Castro. So,
yung
thank
mga
you so
hindi
much,
na
guys.
next time na lang, yung mga hindi na banggit pa. Si Carol Kay, nandiyan na naman di ba?
Sige guys, bukas ay
Beb
na lang.
Louis, yan.
Bye!
Bye! Gasilda
Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye!
Hi guys, ayan, kotse na kami. Tawag dito, pupunta na kami ngayon muna sa Ninangbo kasi dadali namin yung biko na gawa ni Mama. After nyan, sa festival kami kasi bibili daw yata si Heinz ng socks. So, kailangan niya sa boots niya kasi. Tapos, after
Isang pair lang.
After naman nun, pupunta kami kila Mami. Tapos 10 PM yung massage namin later. So, super excited na ako dahil mali yung tulog ko, yung form ng tulog ko last 2 days ago kasi kulang ng isa pala yung punda namin. Hindi ko alam kung nasa nakalagay. Yung pala nasa cabinet lang yan sa baba. So, ginawa ko, pinagpatong ko muna yung unan. Basta ang pangit ang form ng nakaganon ako pagising ko. Pagising ko para ako na stiff neck na parang di ako makagalaw ganyan lang.
Na-strain yung
Tapos
neck.
sobrang sakit pero hinilot niya ako day after, no? Delete niya ako.
Ngayon gabi mismo na yun.
Anong gabi rin noon, tapos sumakit kasi yung ulo ko, tapos parang nakaganon lang ako, stiff neck talaga. Kaya tapos pagkahilot niya, kinabukasan na wala, pero minsan bumabalik talaga, kaya ang sakit ng part sa dito ko, kaya sabi ko, pamassage talaga kami ngayon. So yun lang guys, and mag-relax kami, and bukas magkikita kami. Magbibili pala ako ng gift mamaya para sa baby shower ni Ate Ann, so sa festival na lang. Ayan, buti wala masyadong traffic ngayon kasi Saturday, so buti na lang. Nakapag-film na pala ako kahapon ng paano ba pag-pronounce? Ulzang ata? Ulzang na, yung kasi may K-pop, yung K-pop medyo rugged sila ng mga Korean. Yung Ulzang parang pa-bebe look. Yata. So, correct me if I'm wrong guys ha, mga tiga-team collab. First time, una-una, niyayaya kasi nila talaga ako sa makeup. Sabi ko nga parang hindi pa ako ganun ka, So, kahapon nakapagpasa na ako ng clips yung mga si Heinz yung nag-video sa akin and director ko rin. So, saglit lang yun, wala pa yatang 1 minute, pero si Sis Mia na bahala mag-edit or kung ano man, buti nga ganun. Kasi pag ako wala pa talaga akong wala pa rin ka-idea, kaya sobrang thank you Sis Jobelita. Meron pala siyang channel, so nakakuha ko na idea sa kanya kasi sinend sa akin ni Sis Mia yung link ni Sis Jobelita, kaya nalaman ko rin na meron siyang channel. Kaya super duper thank you, nag-girl ako na idea paano gagawin sa mga OOTD na yan. Pero ngayon nag-enjoy ako sa mga collab-collab na yan, kaya lang may mga deadlines pala siya. So next time, tatry ko makasali sa iba na nagayaya sa akin. Bale. Si Mami Pai naman, niyaya niya rin ako. Kaya lang yung mag-imitate ng mga makeup ng mga Victoria's Secret model. Sabi ko, pass muna ako, Mami Pai, kasi nga, parang wala pa nga akong guts na mga ganun mag-imitate ng mga makeup. Siguro, pag tumagal pa, practicein ko yan. So, yun lang guys. Dito na kami ngayon sa Mulino Boulevard. Ay, ito pala yung asawa ko.
Hey.
Hindi ko siya pinapansin kanina pa. Sorry. Dito pala siya. Yan, dito pala siya. Ang ganda ng t-shirt niya. Big na din. So, thanks na ka guys. Ayan, ini-improve na nila yung Mulino Boulevard. Pero na yung Bacoor Doctors Medical Center pala dito. Kami sa may St. Dominic na. Ang galing, may ganda na sila. Bongga. Ayan. Ito papuntang palengke ng Zapote. Ito naman papuntang Coastal Road. Ito Alabang, Zapote Road na kami. Sarap magbiyahe, baka walang mga traffic enforcer ngayon. Kaya maluwag yung kalsada kasi Saturday. Si Heinz, napansin ko umitim pala yung face dahil nga pala sa fire nila. Oo, sayang naman yung mga pinaggagawa niya sa face niya, di ba? Okay lang yan.
Hindi, tsaka yung mga lakad-lakad ka sa BGC, di ba open na open yun?
Oo.
Walang mga puno.
Kaya pala napansin ko rin, parang kala ko sa ilaw lang kanina. Ayan. Ayan, susubukan namin yung daan dito. Labas dito daang Harina from sa amin. First time yata ni Heinz sa daan dito eh. Dati dito kami dumaan ni Michelle. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, sundan niya yung mga kotse. Bahala na. Ayan. Ayan. 5 minutes na lang. Kumain muna kami ng pizzera doon. Yung parang pizza na by bread. Ay, parang pizza na may bread. Parang pizza style siya. Dito kami ngayon.
Blessing. Okay, works of blessing from God, reflecting His character and nature, and should be enjoyed through faithfulness and hard work. Talk about mindsets when it comes to work. And let me just give you some of these things that we were able to research. Why do we need to talk about work? Okay, here's some numbers for you. 80% of people are dissatisfied with their jobs. Ilan kayo doon sa 80%? It's how you view things. It can be an attitude as well, or it can be a mindset. Okay, how you view things. For example, in our family, when I was a single person, our perspective of family reunions, family gatherings, only comes on Christmas. Okay, that's when we gather. That's when we meet all the relatives. Ganyan, all of our all of our cousins and all that. But on the other hand, my wife has a different perspective when it comes to family reunions. Their family reunions is not only on a Christmas day or a Christmas, it's a Christmas gathering, but if there's a birthday of a relative, everyone goes there. Okay, if there's a celebration, everyone goes to a party with all the relatives. That's their perspective when it comes to partying with family. Why? Because her relatives are her neighbors also. Okay, that's the reason. That's the reason why they're able to do that. Okay, this preaching is not about looking. You might say that I'm going to preach about that, but this preaching is not about that. This preaching is not about being called to another job. Or if you want to believe God for promotion, if you want to believe God for business, those things are good. But this preaching is not about those things. About seeking the will of God in your workplace or seeking the will of God in your life. Kung Lord, saan ba ako pupunta? Maglilipat ba ako ng ibang bansa to look for a job? Lord, is this where you're calling me? Or are you calling me to transfer to another job? This is not that preaching. Okay? What we're going to talk about now in terms of work is that right now, right here in your work, how can we honor God in our work right now? In the present work that I am, carefully, because of sin, one of the curses of man was work. But in here, we can clearly see that work is not a curse. Because God Himself worked, right? During creation. Some view work as a curse, or at least a part of the curse of living in a fallen world. You know what? Every time I would read this and I would look at creation, that just proves that our God exists. Science would try to tell that science would try to say that everything that we see here right now is because of an accident, because of probably a big bang. Probably we came from apes or monkeys. How many of you believe that? Okay, do you believe that you came from, your ancestors are apes or monkeys? Okay, but every time I would see creation, it just shows that, wow, creation is beautiful. It means that there must be a God who created all these things. You know what? You know why? Because outside there are a lot of people trying to look for a job. There are a lot of people trying to find for a job so that they can supply for the needs of their family. You should be thankful. We should be thankful for the work that we have right now. God has made us for work. We are designed for work. Genesis 3:17 to 19. Doesn't matter what people say about you. But what matters is that you have been created in the image of God. And when He was making all those plants, animals, and all that, and it was good. You know what? After God created man, in Genesis 31a, it says, God saw everything that He had made, and behold, it was very good. Image. Kaya every time when we go to work, kailangan tayo yung masigla. Kailangan tayo, we are the ones who's supposed to be excited. We are the ones who's supposed to be energetic, especially when it comes to Monday. When it comes to Monday, let me guess, probably most of people would go there when they enter the room, they would, most of the time, I hope you're not like that, but when you enter the room, but I pray, I hope that when you enter the room, you would say, "Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Monday. Good morning, guys. Oh, kamusta ka na? How are you? I hope that we would be people like that. And our God is an excellent worker. Our God is not a slack God that saying that I don't feel like creating this person because it's Monday. Let me just make him like so, I don't know, baka ma-offend tao. Let me just make him. God wasn't like that. When He made you and me, I'm very thankful because our God is a God who doesn't slack. Our God is the finest worker. Since He's the finest worker and we were created in the image of God, I pray that we would be people like that. Probably that person is sitting beside you right now. He may not be owned, his surname may not be an Ayala, a Zubel, or a Gokongwei, but that person has peace. Why? Because God is in him. Amen? So, can we give God a hand for that? Like Proverbs 8, verse 30 to 31. Then I was beside him. This is inspiring. But because I'm here right now, Lord, I'm going to worship you with my words. I'm going to bring glory to your name. And you know what? Sometimes it brings glory to God kapag you're in a place that you don't like, but you're following Him. Right? God is with you. Favor will be with you. And this favor, come on, give God a hand. This favor is not about finances. Okay, let me just clarify that. It's not about finances. It's a different kind of favor and blessing that you will experience uniquely from God.
Correct.
Amen? Psalm 111 verse 1 to 4. The last few verses as the music team comes here. Can you all say this? Can you all say this?
Hi guys! Tapos na yung service. Ngayon babalik kami sa Western Union. Kay Heinz ko na lang pinangalan kasi nga sobrang sobrang dami daw nagpapadala sa akin. Na-reach ko na daw yung limit. So sobrang hassle. Naisip ko nga, hindi ba lagi kasi daw ang kumukuha. Parang gano'n. Hindi ko alam. Kaya parang hindi ba nalulugi yung Western Union doon. Imbis na marami silang business, parang inilimitahan nila, diba? Dapat hindi ganyan. But anyway, yata alam yung, kasi anti-scam din yata, something gano'n ko lang. And hi kay, Jerry Maya ba yun? Jerry, basta wait lang, may kausap ako sa Viber. Super duper thank you, natouch ako sa message niya. Maraming salamat. Sabi nga namin kung ano nakikita niyo na mabuti sa amin dahil yun kay God. And kung ano man yung mga hindi niyo maganda nakikita, tapon-tapon na lang. Basta kung ano yung makikita maganda niyo sa amin, kung ano yung nakikita niyo maganda sa amin, maraming salamat sa inyo.
So much fun earlier dun sa preaching kanina sa Victory. Ano ba? Grabe. It's all about work. And bottom line of the preaching is that work can be fun, of course. Work is a blessing from God, and it's all about perspective. So if you have the right perspective on how you view things or how you view work, then of course you will be happy and you will prosper in the process.
And hindi lang din siya sa money nakukuha yung mga happiness natin, kung hindi sa mismong peace of mind. Sabi nga ni Pastor Francis, sabi nga nila na kahit na hindi ka maging CEO or kung ano man sa company, basta
if you have God and you have peace in your heart, wow, you have the best job.
As in. So, yun lang. Tsaka matutulan tayo makontento sa lahat ng bagay.
Although human nature natin, hindi tayo makontent sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero
we're a
work in process.
Yes.
And with God's grace,
kahit gano'ng kaliit or malaking sweldo mo ngayon, mas matuto ka lang makontenta and you have peace of mind. Super enough na yun. Sobrang saya lang. Super naka-positive lang ng life. So, ayan lang. Wait lang yung name ng makausap ko.
Again, you just have to have a positive mindset.
Ayun, si Jerry Maya pala from Japan. Kausap ko kayo na super na-touch ako sa mga pinagsasabi niya. And yun nga, sobrang thank you kung yung nakita niyo sa amin dahil nga, yun yung magandang pagbabago. Pero kung meron kayo hindi maganda, siyempre hindi naman tayo perfect. Minsan may mga bagay-bagay tayong, lalo na ako, aminado naman ako na minsan may nasabi ako na bigla-biglaan na lang or kung ano man. Kung ano may nakikita niya sa akin, minsan na hindi ako okay, huwag yun na lang pansinin. Pero kung ano yung magaganda nakikita nyo, yun lang yung kunin nyo or kung ano man. Kasi lahat naman talaga tayo may ganung attitude. Kahit naman sino, wala namang perfect. So, pero super duper thank you at na-appreciate nyo yung pagiging positive lang lagi. And kung paano lang kami mamuhay, yun lang. Sobrang thank you so much. Hanap kami ng makakainan. Gusto mo dyan? Tignan mo yung sale. Ayan, may sale sila. Check mo. Ayan, wala nang medium yung gusto niya. Oo. Tsaka titingin pala kami ng gift para dun sa baby shower ni Ate Ann. Isipin ko pa kung ano. Ayan. Hanap mo na siya.
You know what guys, this is one of my favorite brands, itong USPA, and the reason why I like this brand is because it's really comfortable. Yung tela niya talagang super comfy at lambot sa skin, and I'm just a fan of
Oo, gusto niya malaking
Polo Sports. Polo Sport, basically.
Ito yung sale, walang size na. Check daw niya yung gusto niya ng ganito. Hey guys, ito kami sa bench. Mag-fit lang si Heinz ng gusto niyang ano, tawag dyan, 3/4. So, after ito kakain na kami. Pero lubat na ako. Hindi ko sure kung makapag-vlog pa ako mamaya. Kasi pupunta din kami kila mami. Ang ganda oh. 2 for 150. 6 inch. Sa akin 6 inch lang. Sa akin yung roast beef. Try ko.
Roast beef. Papalagay ka ng cheese?
Yes. With extra cheese.
Ako kaya?
Naalala ko si Mami Kate. Hi, Mami Kate! Ito yung foodie ko. Roast beef. With cheese ba ito? Wala?
Yes, with cheese. Melted cheese.
Oh, okay. Sige guys. Kaya muna kami. With bread pala to. Hi guys. Medyo madilim. Ay, madilim talaga. Magpapamassage muna kami. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kay Mami kasi nag-charge ako super low bat. Ano yan? Ano si Heinz? Quiet daw ako. Hi guys, bahay na kami. So, nabura na yung kilay ko sa pag-massage ko rin na. Super nakaka-relax. Tapos ngayon, ayusin namin yung mga dapat namin ayusin. Anong oras na ba dyan?
11 something.
11:30 na yata. So, bukas na lang guys. And end na namin yung vlog namin. Oops. Thank you so much for watching. Bukas na lang. And God bless!